My dear students, let us start. This is second lesson, part 1. So in this one, the name of lesson is more on MS Windows 7. So we will discuss about Windows 7 and what other topics we have to discuss. You can see here how to move and resize a window, how to change Windows appearance, date and time configuration, components of Windows, control panel, taskbar customization, and mouse settings. So let us start. So this is the structure of window. Okay, single. I'm not talking about Windows. Window. Okay. So in window, in this you can see at the top this is back and forward button. Okay, in this here, and here this minimize, maximize, and then close button. Okay, this is minimize, and this is maximize, and this is the close. Okay, next there is a menu control bar. Okay, you can see here organize, include in library, burn, new folder. These options are given. Okay, so this is the menu control bar. These are the this is the scroll bar. Remember, there are two kinds of scroll bar, vertical and horizontal. Okay, or horizontal is also there. And one more thing, there are two panes, two areas. Panes means area, this one and this one. Okay, you can see right side many icons are given of the files and folders, whatever will be available. See this. Okay, here you can see the location is given. If you would like to go in a specific directory, specific folder, you can go directly from there. Okay, and downside is status bar. This is status bar. So you can see it is showing there are 20 items are available here. Okay, it's like that. One more thing, this is the address bar. What it will show what you have opened, the current location, okay, on which you are present. So let us see one by one. So address bar, so it displays the address of the currently open window, what you have opened, right? Next is menu control bar. Menu control bar, these are the options. Back button, forward, you know very well, to go back, to go in forward, to go forward. Minimize, to shrink your window to the taskbar. Restore, to maximize your window. Okay, restore and maximize, remember that. In restore, when you maximize a window, the minimize button looks like this. Okay, you can see here it resizes the window back to its original size. Okay, but this maximize button used to increase the size of a window to its maximum. Maximum means whatever the size of your screen. Next, close, to close the open window, right? So as I told earlier, there are two kinds of scroll bar, horizontal and vertical. So scroll, you know very well, as I am scrolling this down, up, so this is scrolling. Okay, remember that. Next is status bar. It will show the status of the window, how many file folders are there, type of file and folder, maybe size. Okay, many more things. Next, our next topic is how to move a window. Means we can we move that? Yes, we can move. Okay, from one place to the another place. How to move that? Some steps are given, so these steps we have to follow. So first, what to do, we have to click on this left top corner. Okay, so when we click over here, so we will see these options. We have to choose move because we would like to move. After choosing this move, what we have to use, in keyboard, arrow options are there. Okay, these 4 arrow keys. So you have to use these arrow keys, okay, to move a window wherever you would like to move, and whenever you can move to that final position, you have to press the enter key. Okay, so these are some options, right? You have to first click here, then you will see this option, choose the move, then press the arrow keys, whatever keys are given in the keyboard, and then press the enter key. Okay, enter. Next thing, do you know we can also use the mouse? Okay, so what to do, so you have to simply hold this title bar and you can drag it here and there, means to the new place wherever you would like to move. Next is resizing a window. How to resize that? So some different some steps are different, which we have understood earlier in the moving a window. Same, we have to click on this left top corner. We will see these options. We have to choose this size. After choosing size, same, we have to use the arrow keys, okay, wherever you would like to shrink the size, and finally you have to press the enter. The steps are almost same, but you have to choose the different, that is size. Okay, size means to make it that is small. This window, this is, you can see the difference. Okay, this is the resizing a window. Same, we can also resize by using the mouse. So you can see there are 4 borders are there. If you bring your mouse here, so you will see this kind of arrow. So by the help of this arrow you can shrink the size and you can increase the size of the window, right? Next is a control panel. So this we will discuss in the next part. Thank you, thanks for watching.